And the second is a bullish flag pattern. Now both of these patterns are getting formed for Maruti at the same time frame. That's on the hourly time frame chart. And whenever we've seen such kind of a pattern forming for stocks, we've seen a double breakout happening into these names. So Maruti could be an interesting bet. From a short term view, I would expect at least an 8,000 mark as a target range. Stop loss could now be tailed up higher to almost 7,600 since the stock has moved up higher. The second one, which I'm suggesting, is a bit of a high risk trade. It's about Zee Entertainment. Now, a lot of the media stocks like Sun TV, etc., have done fabulously well. In fact, what has been the trend is that many of these media stocks have gone through a rally, a very sharp and a swift correction, almost a 15% correction in a matter of few days, and then a comeback again, almost like a V-shaped recovery and rally. So I'm expecting something very similar to pan out for stocks like Zee Entertainment as well. So it's more of a positional play, from a multi-month time frame. Targets to be kept at 275 and stop loss at 215. We'll term this as a high risk trade.
Thank you so much, Kunal, for that. We'll get right back to you on answering our viewers' questions and queries as well. Shahina Mukaddam as well joins us now on the show. Hi, Shahina. Good morning. Take us through what are your high risk and low risk ideas then?
For the high risk idea, I will go with IEX. Basically, it is, I would just term it as high risk because, I would see that the stock has gone up a lot in the last 6 months. So there could be some volatility. But in terms of business, it has got 95% market share of the power generation trading that is there in India. And if you see globally, 30 to 40% of their, power generation is traded on the exchanges. But in India, we just have 5% of it that is traded as of now. So the expansion in market share possibility is high. Another thing is that in terms of the new products that it is introducing, like gas trading, like bulk trading, electricity volume trading, I think all these things will add to their revenues going forward. Valuations are slightly on the higher side. That is why I'm putting it as a high risk. But at the same time, I think over a period of time, maybe a year or two, I think there is a good potential for an upside from here. The second idea that I have is Tata Chemicals. There again, the stock has gone up a lot, but here what I believe is it's got the support of the Tata Group. The way they have restructured the business in the last 3 years, sold off the fertilizer business, generated a lot of cash from there, over 3,000 crores, and the way they are reinvesting this money, which is in the high growth segments like specialty chemicals, for example, they are putting in certain value-added products in their soda ash business. I think these are the businesses that will drive growth going forward. Also, in terms of soda ash itself, the core business is going to do much better going forward, given that the construction business is gaining traction. And also, as you know, glass is one of the important components in construction. So flat glass also is likely to do well for them. So I would term this as another good medium to longer term investment idea. So these would be my two wealth creation ideas for today.
Great. All right. Well, Shahina as well as Kunal, stay on with us. We'll take a very short break on the show. Don't go anywhere.